Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit, and this is for spotless bright skin. There is also another version of the same facial kit, which is the charcoal facial kit. So you can choose the facial kit according to your concern. So mine was to get rid of the tan and make it a bit more brighter and rejuvenated, so I went for the brightening kit. So the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Kit is priced at only 300 rupees per box, and you can easily get 3 uses out of every single box of the facial kit. Let's just go ahead and see what are all the products that are inside this box and how to use them step by step. I'll also show you a quick demo of each of the product that is inside this box. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this box contains 6 different products inside this box. So the first product in this kit is the cleanser, which is actually like a very milky sort of a cleanser, and this bottle contains 20 ml of product. So you just have to take out the cleanser on your hands and just work it on your face in small circular motions, and do that for about a minute or two, and then take a damp cotton pad to wipe off any dirt and impurity away from your face. So that's the first step in doing any facial. Cleansing your face is super important before you go ahead with a scrub or a mask or any other skincare procedure. The second step in this kit is a facial scrub. So this tube contains 12 grams of product, and this is a very good and potent scrub in my opinion, because I could instantly see a difference right after one use of this product. The scrub is kind of a thick cream sort of a consistency, and it has tiny little granules in it, so that's gonna really help in scrubbing out your old skin or the pigmentation on your face really well, and that's what this scrub exactly did. It kind of removed my tan and made the surface of the skin super smooth, and also it got rid of all the whiteheads and blackheads on the nose area as well as on the chin area. My whiteheads and blackheads are not too intense, they are kind of mild. This scrub did a fantastic job in clearing out all those whiteheads away from my face and creating a smooth surface all over my face. Again, you need to work this scrub in small circular motions using your fingertips, and don't be too harsh with the scrub, because you need to be very gentle when you use a scrub, otherwise you can damage the skin. So be very gentle in doing this step. Now the third step is a nourishing cream. So it is very important to rehydrate and replump your skin once you're done with the cleanser and the scrub, because the scrub and the moisturizer is gonna suck in all of the hydration and moisture away from your face. So it's very important to top it off with a nourishing cream. This tube also contains 12 grams of product, and this one is like a very thin gel-like texture. It also feels super light on the skin, and it gets absorbed into the skin very quickly, and it instantly rejuvenates and plumps up your skin right after using a cleanser and a scrub. So you simply have to just take a bit of the product on your hand and just massage it gently onto your skin so that your skin absorbs this product. So the fourth step is a massage cream. So this one is like a thick pearly cream. This is like a sandwich in between the nourishing cream and the face mask that you'll apply in the next step. So this is gonna add some extra boost and nourishment to your skin again, without ripping off the moisture away like how a scrub or a cleanser does. So this is gonna retain a bit of hydration and boost on your skin before you go ahead with a face mask. So this is a very thick pearly cream like I mentioned earlier, and this one also has 12 grams of product. Again, you have to apply the massaging cream in small circular motions all over your face, and if you feel it's getting a bit dry in between, you can absolutely go ahead and spray some water to make it a little bit more workable, and you just keep going with the circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes. And once that is done, just take a cotton pad which is soaked in water and remove all of that massaging cream away from your face, and you'll be good to go with a face mask. So the fifth step is a face mask. So this tube also contains 12 gram of product. So you just have to apply this product in a very thin layer. This is again like a very pearly, creamy sort of a mask, and it makes your skin really bright. You'll see a visible difference once you clean up the face mask away from your face. It really brightens up your face and removes all of the tan from your face. Make sure that you don't apply the mask on the under eye area, because this portion is very sensitive. And again, let the mask rest on your face for about 15 minutes and clean it up with some water. The last and final step is a finishing cream. So this one is also like a thick cream, which is not too matte, not too dry. It's something in between, and this one also contains 12 grams of product. So you just apply this like any other regular moisturizer. Just apply it all over your face in upward strokes using your fingertips, and that's gonna really make your skin bring all those moisture and hydration back to your face, and you can instantly see a lot of brightness once you apply the finishing cream. Honestly, today was the first time that I used the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit and I could instantly see a result. I'm quite impressed with this facial kit. It just made my skin look super smooth and it removed all the dirt and impurities and all of the whiteheads and blackheads that was on the skin. Plus it removed a lot of the tan that was going on the face, and it just made my face look a bit more radiant. So I feel it's a very good facial kit, and it's very affordable too. So it's perfect for the festivities that are coming up, and also you can definitely use it if you're a bride-to-be. It's really worth for the money that you pay. You can easily get 3 uses out of this one box because all those tubes contain a lot of product in them, and it's a very smart packaging too. It's not packaged in those small little sachets. I feel it's a very good and smart way to put all the contents in these small little tubes. They look cute, and plus it's not gonna dry up like a sachet packet would do. It's gonna be very easy to preserve all the products in the facial kit. I highly recommend this facial kit to everybody. It works on all skin types. It did not make my skin become too matte or too oily. It's right in between, so I think it will be perfect for all skin types, dry, combination, oily, whatever skin type you are. It's gonna be very good, and it's worth all the money because you can easily get 3 uses out of this one box. Plus the festivities are coming up, so it's gonna be a perfect facial kit to use it at home and get a salon-like finish at home. Even if you are a bride-to-be, you can absolutely use this facial kit at home to get really good results. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this kit is also available in another version, which is the charcoal one. So you can choose the facial kit according to your concern. So mine was to get rid of the tan and make it a bit more brighter and rejuvenated, so I went for the brightening kit. So yeah guys, that's about it for the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. I really hope that you guys found this video useful and helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!